I'm standing in front of our new 782 torsion bar Harrow. So this 7 bar, 82 feet A-series Harrow. We also have available 5 and 7 bar, and then at a 50, 70, or 82 foot width. So 5 bar or 7 bar at all 3 of those widths. So starting at the front here, you can see we've got our hydraulic hose management arm with color-coded hydraulic couplers. So those just allow you to keep all of your hydraulic lines tidy and prevent any kind of damage or accident due to carelessness there. At the very front there we have several different pull hitch options, so a Cat 4, Cat 4-5 crossover, and then a Cat 4 and a Cat 5 with a 45-degree ball socket. So it really allows you to choose the hitch that you need for your tractor. So I'm standing right in front of our hydraulic latch system. So this is unique, different than a cable latch system, just because it requires less setup and less maintenance and less upkeep over time. It's really simple for your operator to easily secure these 2 wing booms from the cab, and it locks in place, and it's very secure in the field as well. So there's no concern about these 2 wing booms falling out and pulling behind you while you're operating the machine in the field. Right at the front here, if you look down, you can see whenever possible on this unit, we've used hydraulic steel lines versus rubber lines, just because it's just a higher durability, a higher quality long term, just to ensure that your hydraulic system is kept in mint condition 5, 6, 7, 10, 15 years down the road. In addition to that, we also have powder coat paint. So all Brandt manufactured components are put through our premium powder coat paint system. So just to give you superior rust protection and coloration over time versus a liquid paint. So right behind me you can see our large transport tires on our trailer there. So these are 500 radial tires. So they allow you to pull this machine very quickly through the field and a very smooth ride through the field. Right behind that you can see our trailer height cylinder. So that cylinder there on this wheel and on the other wheel on the trailer and then on either end of the wing are all in phase, so it allows your operator to hydraulically adjust the entire working bar height from the cab. So that's standard on all of our models. So that really allows them to make those fine-tune operations as they're adjusting their hydraulic tine angle, or mechanically adjusting their hydraulic tine angle, or really to just fine-tune your working height based on the type of field conditions and residue that you're dealing with. So right behind there you've got our 2 main lift cylinders on either side of the trailer. So those essentially lift your entire Harrow toolbar frame up for transport, and then they also provide the down pressure with the torsion bar Harrow system. So we can talk a bit about more of that as we go to the side. Right here we have our solid boom versus a cable style boom. So if you're ever in a tight situation and you need to back up, it allows you to do that, or as you're cornering or going down hills, you're not getting that cable snapback that you'll see with a cable pull style system. So this is our hydraulic end wheel height adjustment. This cylinder is in phase with your 2 trailer cylinders as well as the wheel on the other side, so it allows your operator to easily adjust your entire torsion Harrow working height from the cab, and that's standard on all Brandt A-series torsion Harrows. Right here, this is the main actor in our torsion down pressure system. So as the 2 main transport cylinders extend, your main torsion toolbar frame here will twist and rotate, and as that's happening, it twists this torsion bar, which applies down pressure to the center of your tine carrier rack. And what that allows you to do is essentially transfer almost the entirety of the weight of the torsion bar system down onto your torsion carrier racks. So it's a very simple, a very effective down pressure system. This is a 7 bar Harrow setup in addition to our 5 bar options. So the 7 bar has got 14-inch center to center spacing. Our 5 bar will have 18-inch center to center spacing. So this is equipped with 9/16 26-inch length tines. These ones don't have the carbide tips, but we also offer carbide tips on all of our tines. The Brandt carbide tips are unique in that they have a cutting edge to them versus a blunt edge, so that really helps to break up your residue versus just dragging it, and it really helps to kind of size up your residue a bit. And they're also 2.5 inches longer, or 2.5 inches long, which is longer than most of the competitors who are around 2 inches long. So it just gives you more durability and really a better payback over time. Right here you can see one of our big hydraulic tine angle adjustment cylinders. So that is an option over the mechanical tine angle adjustment. So it's an option on the 5 and the 7 bar. And on the 5 bar, your typical tine setup will be a 5/8 inch tine, 28 inches long, with the option of a carbide or non-carbide tip as well. On the back, or right here, you can see our easy drop out tine rack carriers. So essentially allows you to easily drop this entire tine bar down if you ever need to make a replacement of a tine unit itself. Again, at the back of the toolbar frame here, you can see hydraulic steel lines versus rubber lines, as I was talking to you about before. And really what that allows is just a higher quality hydraulic system and a better durability over time. Well, thank you for listening to the information about this Brandt new A-Series torsion bar harrow system. If you'd like any more information, contact your Brandt sales representative or visit us online. Thank you very much.